Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can censor words in your video using CapCut Mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my CapCut application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project on CapCut. I'm going to select new project, and then I'm going to upload my video. I'm going to import my video to the CapCut project. I'm just going to select, for example, this video, and then I'm going to censor word in this video using the CapCut. Okay, and we're going to select the part of the video we want to censor. For example, I'm going to censor
timer on your Instagram story.
This part.
Countdown timer on your Instagram.
Okay, we can split the video at the part we want to censor. I'm going to tap on the video, select split, and I'm going to split it again right here, and then we're going to reduce the volume of the part we want to censor. You can click on it, and you're going to go to the volume option right here, and you can set it to 0 to mute it. Okay, and then I'm going to click on the check mark, and let's see what we have right here.
Story.
Okay, and I'm going to censor it with beep sound. So I'm going to add beep sound to this part. If we want to get the sound, we can go to the audio, and then we're going to select the sound effects to add sound effect to our video. Then you're going to search for the beep sound or beep sensor. Okay, make sure you have good internet connection to download the sound effect, and I'm going to try it. Okay, I'm gonna go with this one guys, and then we're going to apply it to our video.
Timer on
Okay, that's done. This is the final result. Okay, then you can increase the volume of the beep sound. Okay, and I'm going to play it. Okay,
let's.
Alright guys, and that's all the way to censor word in our video using CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.